I was working on one video for you guys, and I realized it's gonna take longer than expected. So I found some footage. I was cleaning off my computer the other day, and I found some footage I don't think I've uploaded before. If I did, it's really old. So if not anything, it'll just be a refresher. It's just some practice footage of the B44.3 and some footage of the Emax. I'm pretty sure I've done the Emax footage, but I don't think I've done the 44.3, so I'm going to upload that, and then this video that I'm working on now I'll probably upload next week. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, why you're seeing this old footage, and yeah, so hope you guys like it.